What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video let's talk about creating paywalls using the native Storekit APIs. So yeah, let's get started guys. First of all, I have scaffolded out a blank application here. In order to bring in your renewable subscriptions or in-app purchases inside your app, you would need to do some configurations in your app store. But in Xcode you could like create a Storekit configuration file and then use the same for testing. Let's see how to do that first. So what you need to do is just go to file, new file from template, and then here you just give Storekit configuration. Click on this, give next, just give a name here, pro subscriptions. Now this is the screen that you would see as soon as you create this configuration file. Just click on add, and then like there will be like 4 different types. Add auto renewable subscription. Let's see this first. And here you need to create a group name inside which all your subscription plans would be present. So I'll just use a premium. Okay. Now what we are about to do is create our very first subscription plan. So let me just do weekly subscription. As you can see here, it has been added, right? Here I'll just give it to 1 week, and then what I would do is inside localizations the display name would be weekly subscription, description subscribe for a week. Similarly, I'll create 2 more subscriptions. This is the group. Monthly subscription, and then premium monthly. Fine, just save this, and if you go here now, you can see that there are 3 levels, and they are given as a group ID here, right? Copy this group ID since this would be useful later on. But before that, let's just set the levels. Weekly should be our first level, and this should be second level, and this should be third level. So weekly, monthly, and yearly. These levels, what they do is the actual representation is that you can upgrade from one plan to another. Like if you are in a weekly plan, you can upgrade to either a monthly or yearly plan. But if you are in a yearly plan, you can't like upgrade to a weekly plan. You get that, right? That's the concept of these levels. So now just copy this group ID since we'll be using that later on. Get back into content view, create a simple skeletal paywall like frame. What you can do is just import Storekit first, and then inside this go ahead and just give like a subscription store view, and inside product IDs, inside group ID, just give the ID that you just copied. Alright, now you will see this particular error, subscription unavailable. This subscription is available in current store. The reason is that we have like created this configuration and all this is all fine, but we need to tell Xcode to use this particular configuration inside our app, right? So what you need to do is just click on this and go to edit scheme. Inside this, under run options, you would need to set the Storekit configuration file that you just created, and click on close. Now that we have added it in the scheme, let's go back into content view. Now you can see that our subscriptions have loaded, and as you can see, this is the name that we gave for our subscription packages, and this is the weekly subscription, monthly subscription, and annual subscription. These are all from the plan names and the descriptions that we gave, and we can also see the pricing here. So what I'll do next is I'll just show you how to style this a little bit. I can simply go ahead and I can simply go ahead and let me get rid of this first, this premium and this, or I'll show you how to display these plans in a better way. So what you need to do is just give subscription store control style, and here just give compact picker. Now you can see that this has changed to a carousel, right? Now even this isn't that good, so let's just shift to a different one, paged picker. Fine, this is great, right? So it just shows the description: subscribe for a month, subscribe for a year, and it shows the price, and this is like rather cool, right? So we have created a very simple paywall that shows all our plans with minimal code. Let's just try one more, paged prominent picker. Okay, there doesn't seem to be much difference. Anyway, let's move on. So instead of giving the group ID, let me just give product ID so that I'll have some individual control here. So in order to do that, I can just give var prod IDs. This will be an array of string, and then this could be premium weekly, premium monthly. Usually what I do is I just give it in an enum and then use that enum here to populate the paywall. Premium yearly. Here just give the product IDs. Prod IDs. Now you will see the same. This gives you better control, guys. Like if you want to remove this, you can just remove this, and then there will be just two plans in the carousel. As you can see, that is just weekly subscription and monthly subscription. So yeah, this gives more control. And what you can do is you can remove this entire thing and then add your own marketing content as well. Like for instance, I have an image inside my assets. I have an image here called tips. Let me just put this here instead of. Why did I put it as tips? Shouldn't it be some? Anyway, let me just give it as tips. Image tips. See, you can like normally what this space would be populated by the company trying to explain all the benefits that you would get if you choose one of the subscription plans. That's what the space would be populated. and based on the selection you can like obviously change the benefits the user would get if the user subscribes to this particular plan as well. So yeah, this is where you would like make a design, like you can like redesign. This is simply a view, guys. So basically you can like do all sorts of customization and then create your own paywall from scratch. The next thing I would like to show here is you can obviously use, like for instance, let me show something. Subscription, oh no, sorry, store button. It's called store button visible. And then if you see here that you will be having like a lot of store buttons. If I just give redeem code, then you will see a button that will like enable you to redeem a code if you already have one, or it will also show you the list of codes that are available so that you can like redeem one. Actually, let me show you this in a later part of the video. Similarly, you can like, if you have already made a purchase and if you want to restore that, you can simply use this restore subscription button to do so. And yeah, there are like a lot of other stuff as well, like for instance you can like show the policies. So now watch this. You will see that there is a policy and terms of service and privacy policy label available here, right? So similarly, yeah, you can like there is no cancellation button now, but if I just give cancellation, you can see that you can like dismiss the paywall. Similarly, there are like a lot of customization options that you can like play around with. Let me just remove this for now, and then like we'll show that later on. So yeah, guys, this is exactly what I wanted to show you, and I'll run this in the simulator so that I can show you guys that how this works. So what I'll do is, first I'll show you the code subscription. This really looks good on a simulator, right? If I click on subscribe, watch what happens. You'll see this, and if I click on subscribe, obviously I will be subscribed. But let me show you a few other cool stuff before trying to subscribe. So what we'll do next is, I'll show you how to do like a redeem code button. So if I run it now, you can see that I have a specific button to redeem code. You can see this here, right? If I tap on this, redeem code for paywalls, but there isn't anything shown here. Wait, let me close this and go back to my configuration file. Here you can create offer codes. This is monthly subscription, right? I'll just create an offer code just to show you guys. I'll just create. Here you can also create introductory offers. Introductory offers are nothing but you can set an offer for a particular period of time when the user hasn't like subscribed at all, and then he has just installed our app and wants to try out the premium feature. So I can just say free for duration like 2 months, and then he'll be charged from the 3rd month. If I set an introductory offer here, watch what happens. The paywall would actually show the offer as well. Wait, you can see this, right? Subscribe for a week. Watch this, 2 months free, then $4.99 a month. So this 2 months free is the introductory offer that we just set. You guys can see this, right? But here we don't have any offers, so it's just showing $11.99 a year. Similarly, what you can do is create offer codes as well. Now what I'll do is I'll create a offer code. If you give stack offers, you would see both the introductory offer as well as the offer code. So basically you can like apply one offer on top of the other and then like get like a set of offers applied at the same time. So I'll just save this. Now you can see the festival offer here, the offer code, right? Watch this. I'm going back. Okay, I'll just run this again. You can see this, right? If I click on redeem code, you can see that I have my festival offer code here. I can click on this, and then if I redeem code, I'll get the 1 month offer. So that's exactly how you can like write screens for redeeming. I mean, you can in this is just a testing phase, guys. I'm showing this configuration file inside Xcode and then showing you guys how it will reflect on a paywall. But in order to do this, you would need to create this exact, you will need to follow the same step inside App Store. Maybe I'll show that as well in a later video. If you guys want it, just drop it in a comment below and I'll show you guys how to do that in a later video. Now similarly, you can like create promotional offers, and win back offers are something that was newly introduced. Win back offers are nothing but like if a user is currently a premium user and he has let his subscription expire, you can like offer him a win back. You can like make him an offer saying that come back to this premium, like make a subscription again and then I'll give you all this discount and everything. That's what exactly is called a win back offer. You are basically trying to win back your subscribers, all your expired subscribers. You're trying to win back him. That's it. And yeah, you can like play around with this a lot and then you can see a lot of stuff, guys. That's exactly my point here. Now normally you won't be seeing this in an app. You won't be seeing this paywall directly, right? It's just on the face. What you would see in an app is as soon as the user logs in, if he is a paid subscriber, he'll be shown a set of screens and a set of options, whereas if he is a free subscriber, then the options would be limited. That's exactly how it would be presented in a regular app, right? So here it's just, let me just show you how to like verify the user whether he's a paid subscriber or not, and then display screens or options inside the app based on that. So in order to do that, what I'll do is I'll create a new file. Assume that this is the file the user would be shown as soon as he enters the app. Now I'll just create some basic UI, not the UI. I'll just create a line of text is subscriber. Alright, now I have created a very simple screen that will just show if the user is a premium user or a free user. If it's false, he's obviously a free user, and we need to set this to true once the check is being performed. In order to check, what you need to do is, it's really simple. As soon as this VStack appears, just add a task and say this let status as there is a option called subscription info.status. For here you just enter your group ID and let verify this. Okay, now switch verification status. This is the verified user. I'll just print this, renewal info dot renewal price, something like this, and Fine, I have just created a very simple task here that will, what it will do is it will simply fetch my subscription status, and if I am a paid user, it will just display my renewal price. If not, it's just going to be showing free user. Instead of going to content view here, instead of showing this, what I'll do is I'll simply, let me just run this now. It's showing free user obviously. Now watch this. If I subscribe, if I make a subscription, I'll just buy this plan, so weekly subscription, 99 per week, subscribe. Okay, now it's showing my plan, right, your plan. So this is exactly what I have paid. If I go here, it's showing change plan, right? If I go here, it's going to change plan. But if I had bought this and then like gone here, it wouldn't show that, because the weekly subscription is level 1 and annual subscription is level 3. Anyway, let's see how to test this. Now if I view sub status, it should show a premium user, and not only that, it should also show that show my renewal price. Renewal price is $99, right? So I'll just comment this out, and then see, you can see this, right, $99, and it's showing premium user. Similarly, you can like get a lot of other info as well, right? For instance, I can get the currency print, renewal info dot, you can get all these stuff, right? I'll just show currency, and you can get the product ID and several other stuff as soon as the user enters, logs in into the app, or as soon as the app loads up. You can like, you probably shouldn't put this inside an app on appear under vstack, because whenever the user returns back to the home screen, then this would run and then perform a check and then say if the user is a paid user or premium user or a free user. You don't need to do this check often. You can just do this only once, and whenever the user goes to the paywall page to change his plan, you can like do this check again. That's it. So and what you will generally do is you will store this inside a environment variable and then use that throughout the app. So you can always see whichever page he goes, you can always load the features based on whether the user is a paid subscriber or a free subscriber. So this is exactly how you do it, guys. And there are a lot of other stuff that we can do as well. Like for instance, I'll show you, you can like put this entire thing inside a list, not list, sheet. This will now show this entire thing inside the sheet. That's it. See, you can see this, right? And obviously, if you just click on this, it will show, you can see this. Your new subscription will start when you're current, because you are already in the weekly plan. So it will show like this. Anyway, you can also see that this renews on 10 July, which means we are already in the weekly subscription plan and it will renew next week. And you can also cancel subscription from here. Anyway, you can also put it in a sheet, guys. That's my point here. And I'll show you how to do in-app purchases as well. In-app purchases you can like test from here as well. So let's just go back into the configurations file. And then click on, stop this. and then click on this add consumable in-app purchase. Reference name buy a coffee, buy coffee. Product ID small coffee. Price is 99, and here you can like okay. Let me just add one more. If you add it as a non-consumable, you can like actually see that you have a family sharing option, because okay, well, let's just not dive into that now. Let's just move on with this. Now in-app purchases works a little bit different. You can like, wait, let me comment this out. You can just do a product view, and then inside this you need to give the ID. What was the ID? Small coffee. Let's just do an image. You can see this, right? And you can also small coffee, get me a small coffee, the description and the display name that I gave there. You can now purchase. Yeah, you can like add as, I mean, you can design this any way you want and add, probably you can like put it in a list and add as many as you want, guys. I can just do one more. Large coffee as well. We have it here, right? Where was it? Stop this. You can see this, right? Large coffee. So if I run this, yeah, you can like put in, you can design it any way you want based on this. You can see this, right? Based on this, it gets displayed here. So you can design it any way you want and then like put it there, and you can like purchase. I want to purchase myself a large coffee, and if you actually want to buy me a coffee, there is a link in the description, so kindly throw in some donations. Yeah, it's done. So my purchase was successful, right? So if you want to, in case you want to debug this, what you can do is you can like go to debug, and then if you look in Storekit and manage transactions, you will see a list of, we did both of these, right? This was the consumable product, large coffee, that we just bought, and this is the subscription that we just bought recently. So if you give subscription options, it will even show you the subscription options, and you can like cancel the subscription so that you can like test with a different subscription. You get what I'm trying to say here, right? So you have all these sorts of testing options here that you can test with before actually implementing it in App Store. That's exactly what I'm trying to say here. And not only that, you can like actually make transactions from here by clicking on this, and then you will get a list of all your products that are available for purchase inside the app, and you can click on any one of that, click on next, and automatically make a purchase directly from here. so that you can see if the purchase actually goes through, right? So yeah guys, that's exactly what I wanted to show you guys today. In this video we saw how to bring in renewable subscriptions, we saw how to bring in offer codes and give introductory offers. If you want, kindly let me know in the description. I will show you how to bring in win back offers as well. And also if you want to like see how to configure this in App Store, kindly let me know that in the comments as well. And we also saw how to do in-app purchases as well, right? So yeah guys, this is exactly what I wanted to show you guys today. You can like customize this as much as you want, especially the paywalls. You can like go crazy and then build whatever you want using these native Storekit APIs that are readily available in Storekit. So yeah, if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, kindly share it with someone and help them too. And if you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up button. If you would like to watch more cool stuff like this, kindly hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, it's free, right? And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.